Okay, let me teach you a very powerful secret that will open doors for you. That if money is your problem, if you want to be wealthy, you want to be rich, you want to be successful in anything you are doing, this video is for you. Just stay back, don't scroll. I'm going to teach you a very powerful way, a very powerful bat you can do, and anything that has to do with money will be the one looking. So if you want money to be looking for you, not you looking for money, this video is for you. Let me show you a powerful ritual you are going to do so that money will come to you freely, easily, and effortlessly. Oh, this Zuzu, I am your friend this year. Your happiness is my concern. I just want you to guys to be very rich, and everything you want, let the universe grant it to you. That's why I'm here to help you spiritually, So if everything you see on earth, right, everything you see in the universe, some of them are to better our life physically, while some are to better our life spiritually. There's nothing for which that is not.
I had the gift of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, about the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible.
Welcome back. So in this video, as I've said, I want to teach you a bat you can do that will bring a lot of money for you. So if money is your problem or you want money to be looking for you, just as I've said, this video is for you. And the elements you need for this are simple. You need cloves. You orange peel. Then you need rosemary powder. If you don't know rosemary powder, you can Google it. You can order it from Amazon, from anything, or from anywhere, buy it from spiritual shop. So those are the 3 items you are going to need. You need orange peel, you need rosemary, you need rosemary powder, then you need cloves. Then if you like, you need rice water, just small rice water. You add rice water. Now, how do you prepare this? Put cloves. Put cloves inside water. Add after you have put the cloves inside water, then you add the rosemary powder to the water. Then you now add the orange peel to the water. That's to your bathing water. Then you add small rice water to the bathing water. Then you leave it overnight. The next day, you allow this item to soak inside the water till the next day. Then the next day, remember the orange peel, the cloves, the rosemary powder, and the rice water that you can just get small piece of rice, just small quantity of rice. Wash it, then the water you add to your bathing water, let it be full. The water you are going to take your bath. Keep it overnight. Then the next day at night, around that kind 10, 11, especially 11, between 11, 11:30 to 12. Don't allow it to reach 12. Then take your bathing water. You pray on that water that you want money to come to you freely, easily, and effortlessly. That anything you lay your hands on, you will prosper. You want to walk like an ant and eat like an elephant. You want to be an absolute magnet to money. Money will locate you. You want open door. You pray for open door. You pray for connection. You pray for destiny helper. When you are done praying on the water, then you take your bath with the water. You take your bath with the water, okay? Then those remaining items inside the water, then you go and dispose them. Then that day you soak another one again. So this is how you'll be doing it. Do this bath for 7 days. That one you soak overnight, you can divide it into 7 places, like the rosemary, the cloves. You can put, if you are putting clove, you can cut the numbers that cannot be divided by 2, like 11, like 7, like 21, of the cloves. The clove, the orange peel, the rosemary powder, you are soaking it overnight. So that one you have soaked overnight, you can decide to split it into several places. Then after you have split it into several places, then the first one you take it bath in the night, then you pray on it. Then the second one you take your bath. You can add more water so that the water will be much for you after you have divided it into several places. So this is how you are going to take your bath for 7 days straight. I bet you if you take this bath 7 days, you must see results. I'm telling you, no matter if you do this bad, just as I have said now, you must see the result. This is a powerful prayer that opens doors. You'll notice that people that have forgotten you will be remembering you. Some of the things you have lost hope on, all of a sudden you just see that the thing will just come up. If you are do this and come here and give me testimony. Some of you, I will do a remedy. You will come to the WhatsApp and give me your testimony on WhatsApp. Instead of giving me the testimony on WhatsApp, drop the testimony on the comment section so that other people can see it and know that, yeah, this thing are for me. They can try it for themselves. As it will work for them, we are helping each other. So let's help each other. As I'm giving it to you, as I'm teaching you the right thing, all I'm asking for you, help me like the video so that YouTube will recommend this video for more people that will need this, just like you as have helped you. Help me like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Let's spread the good news so that, see, majority of the problem a lot of people have is money. And if you can solve your financial problem, let me tell you, 99% of your problems are solved. That's just the truth. So, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The See I Care. Who the Zuzu? Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Bye for now.